Hey guys, how are you today? Wanted to jump on and tell you about our new product. It's our Universal Moisture Essence. This is made of 100% pure squalane, and what's different about this squalane is that it's 100% sustainably sourced from plant sugars. So I want to show you what it looks like. It's in a dropper bottle, 1 ounce. Very lightweight, just a couple of drops I use on clean skin. Really, it's clinically tested to really rebuild and bind moisture to the skin. Lightweight. I use it at night. I use it on clean skin after I applied my vitamin C serum, and then I apply this, and it really just seals in that moisture. It helps to bind that moisture, hydrate the skin, and I wake up to really, really great looking, great feeling skin. So really excited about this product. Retails for $40, 1 ounce bottle. All of our retail partners are carrying it, so check it out.